In this video, I am going to explain how to view the U-trace option for iFlow. So what I did is, this is my scenario, and if you double click on this one, you will see this one. So you can use search option to find out what are the different messages flowed in last 1 hour. So for this my scenario, I would like to view the trace. Initially, I did not see the view trace. The reason behind is the trace is not enabled. I simply enabled here. Okay. After that one, again, I re-triggered the message by using my SOAP scenario. So here, this link is common for all scenarios, and this is the one you can take it from your SOAP Center communication channel. That we can see properties, right? And right click. If you select this one, you can see select adapter specific, and this is the address. You can take it. And remaining things are as usual. So once I enable it, okay, once I enable it, I can resend the data. There are two options are there. Here we can view the trace content in two ways. Those are, one is utrace and export MTL. MPL. So the first is utrace simply assigns payload on your iFlow. See here, I'm able to see the message, right? This is a message I triggered. See, if you see the payload of my SOAP UI, see, this is my payload 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6. That is the message content we are able to see here. So now let us see the response of the message mapping. This is the message mapping response. Let's trigger one more time, and also I'd like to export MPL with my trace content, and I would like to export into my desktop folder, to be deleted folder, with name 67. Save it, finish it. Now open the content in that folder. My folder name is 67, right? Double click on that one. Now I'm able to see trace content. Now open it. I try to open all the things with Notepad++. So this is the first payload, and also open the rest of the things with open with the Notepad++. See here. So the first message content is, so how many are there? Call activity 1.1 body and header. Where is header pattern? Might be somewhere. Call activity. Where is I want to see the, okay, do one thing, close it, close it, close it, and you can open all the things with Notepad++. So my call activity has this message. This is my body content, and if you see the content, because header content is a, see, this is not a readable format, because the header contents are saved as a object format, not like a string format. Thus we are able to see the message content like this. Now open this content. So this is a message response content, and also the last content of the event header. So there are two activities are there, call activity and end event. Those are nothing but yes. So thus we can verify both trace and export MPL. This is a simple scenario. You can also try on your system to get more idea. And here I would like to tell you two things. For this is the server, right, where we deployed our scenario. Here there are four things are there: message monitoring and trace configuration and deployed artifacts. You can see the other the different deployed artifacts are available on the server, and data store viewer. I'm not sure about this one. And the another one is if you double click on any iFlow, uh, here for every if you select any step, you can see the property window and property. Go for the property. Yeah, property window helps you to identify, gives you more information. But in this case, our payload content is assigned to this iFlow. How do we refresh it? Refresh it now. Clear, clear integration trace. Now are cleared, right? Now see. Now I would like to remove. Okay, done. Now I want to switch off my trace content also. I don't want to enable for a long time. Might be some server problems. Disable the trace content, right? And refresh it again. And check if the trace content is still there or not. So you can search your with your iFlow name my. So this is disabled now, and also you can disable trace content here also. iFlow, right? So you can put none, change, and redeploy, restart it. So, so thus we can change the trace settings in AppUI as well as NetWave Developer Studio. So here for every step you can choose property and component status, task view, and problems console, externalized parameters. But I'm not fully familiar with. But console tells you what is the status of each activity. Properties tells you the steps what you have selected on the screen. The properties also. For example, mapping. If you click on the mapping, it will show everything. Thus, you can test any scenario in iFlow with the trace options. Thanks for watching this video.